From engineered steel to a 120-foot rooftop pergola. Constructed on the third-floor rooftop terrace at the LSU Health Medical Building. The structural steel posts were already installed by others. Our work began with the architectural wood system. Every piece of lumber had to be lifted to the rooftop before the first beam could be built. Every beam, joist, and connection followed the structural drawings. Each steel column was wrapped to create a backing for the finished architectural woodwork. Accurate layout is the foundation of every successful build. Wood beams were assembled and securely anchored to the structural steel. Each framing member was measured, cut, and installed for a precise fit. Consistent spacing and alignment were maintained throughout construction. Precision carpentry transformed engineered steel into a finished rooftop pergola. Every detail reflects careful planning and a disciplined craftsmanship. A commercial pergola built to perform.